So you want to learn how to do digital marketing. Perfect. I've got just a program for you that will teach you step by step how to promote your business, how to do it, when to do it, what to do, what not to do. Whether you want to promote your existing business or you want to buy one of my done for you digital products, which is ready to sell and where you can earn 100% profit, you get taught step by step how to promote and earn successfully online. Once you get access to your program, which is also a once-off fee, you'll be able to start your training immediately. Drop the word training and I'll send you my blueprint how you can start your digital business today and start earning online. You don't have to go through all the courses. This is a earn as you learn. So you better yourself step by step. Not only will your following grow, your income will grow and your confidence will grow.